Good morning. Welcome to another Wednesday Inspiration Nugget. We are busy with Psalm 23, and today I want to look at verse 4, where the Lord reveals himself to David as the one who is with him, who comforts him through the worst of the worst in his life. And in verse 4 it goes like this. David writes and he says, yea, Y-E-A. The New King James Version uses yea, which simply means even though. So we can actually joke and say, yay, I'm going through the valley of the shadow of death. Yay, I'm going through these tough times. And we know it's almost impossible to do that, but we can really do that. And I'll show you why today, that we can actually get excited even when we go through tough times. And so he says, yea, even, or the ESV says, even though I go through the valley of the shadow of death, which means that we will go through tough times. We'll go through the valley of the shadow of death in this life. But we don't need to be afraid. David says, I'm going through this valley, but I have this revelation that I don't need to fear evil. He says, I will fear no evil. Because why? The Lord is with me. And he says, for you are with me. And then he says, and your rod and your staff, they comfort me. And that's what I want to look at today. I want to say that many of us, when we go through these tough times, when we go through valleys of the shadow of death, and you know, they say that the shadow of death is worse than death itself, because death happens quickly and things are over. There's no more fear. There's no more doubt. You know, it's done. But the valley of the shadow of death, now I don't know if you've had a near-death experience, the biggest thing we have to fight for or against is fear. I remember when these guys, or this one guy, walked into our church in Bloemfontein when I was ministering, not in a church service, but at a training course one evening, and he cocked a pistol and he asked for all the cell phones. And he stole the computer, the laptop at the back, and he took everyone's cell phones. And I was so challenged about fear, because, you know, when you hear a gun cocking like that, fear wants to come in, and it's not a nice feeling. But the Lord gave me his peace, but I had to fight for that peace in a way. But the Lord said everything's going to be fine. That's what I heard the Lord saying. Now, I don't know, meaning, am I going to go to be with him now? Because if I die now, I'm going to heaven, man, everything's fine. But he really assured me that everything would be fine. But I had to really contend for that peace, because when you're sort of wondering, am I going to die now? You know, is this guy going to shoot me? And he made me turn around and face the front of the church, and my back is towards him. So I'm thinking, I'm going to get a bullet in my back now. And that fear wants to come in, and that shadow of death comes over you, and it's really not a pleasant feeling. But when you have the voice of the Lord saying to you, it's going to be fine. Like David said, I'm going to fear no evil. I'm going to choose, because of the revelation that I've had of God being with me. And that's what I want to encourage you with today, is that this psalm says that even though, and we are going to go through tough times, near-death experiences can potentially come, but it might not be physical death. It might be just a doubt or a fear that wants to come in because of unbelief or challenging times or just, you know, frustration, anger, the stuff we deal with in our lives. We might feel at a time that we are going through this alone, and the truth is you're not, because God is with you as your shepherd. And David said, I know his presence. And he says, I'm not going to fear because you are with me. But then he says, you are with me in these two ways. He says, number one, your rod is with me. And secondly, your staff is with me. And that's the comfort David experienced. He experienced the comfort of, first of all, the rod of the shepherd. Now, the rod here represents protection from enemies. The shepherds in those days used to carry this short little club-like rod, used to destroy the enemies, used to knock the wolves and the jackals and the enemies of the sheep. And God does that to us. He uses his rod, and he knocks our enemies out by his word. The rod is also used for correction. And so God corrects us at times. God disciplines us. That's the rod that he carries. His word is the rod in our lives. But he's not only got the rod with him, he's also got the staff. The staff is used to direct the sheep in the right direction, to nudge them in the right direction. And so I call it the rod of protection and the staff of direction. So the rod of protection and the staff of direction comfort us. God is with us, friends, through whatever we are going through near-death experiences, through doubts, through feelings of negativity. But the Lord is saying to us, do not stay in this valley. Go through the valley of the shadow of death, because He's with you. His rod and His staff, they truly comfort you. And His word is our comfort. His presence is our comfort. And the people around us are all part of God's plan to shepherd us into where He's calling us to go. And it's a land flowing with testimonies, a land flowing with milk and honey. But don't let that valley hold you back. Do not fear evil, whatever you're going through. May the Lord bless you today. May He comfort you. May He encourage you to go through that valley and come out on the other side with an incredible testimony, just like David had. The Lord bless you.